I love Halloween candy. Wait, I'm all out? Hey sisters, it's me, Tiffany Taylor. This is my first #Tiffany video with me and Hazel for a Battiness vampire costume and unicorn zombie costume. But first, before we get started, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and make sure to click the little bell right next to it so you know when I have a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you want me to make more videos. And follow me on Instagram because I post there every day. Now let's get started. So first we're starting with my bat costume, where it's actually a vampire. It's Miss Battiness. And she has some wings attached to here, and there's a necklace but it's attached to the clothes. And it didn't come with some tights, so we're just gonna rip some. And I'm gonna show you how to rip them. My vampire costume! Whoa. What I like about it is that it's purple and it comes with these, so we don't have to put it on the sleeves. Oh look, here is the sleeve. What else I like about it is that it has a bat right here, sparkly purple bat, and that it comes with a headband, and it's just perfect. Now let me show you Hazel's. So this is Hazel's zombie rainbow unicorn costume. It has some rainbow bones here and a rainbow tutu. And it also comes with this cute little hoodie with a horn, some wings, and it's perfect for her because she loves unicorns. First, I'm showing you the wings. Oh, I didn't see this. That was cool. It has these black things. It's zombie decoration for the zombie rainbow unicorn. And you just stick it on with the back of the costume that has sticky, like soft things, and then you have to stick this on. So it could be fairy or zombie rainbow unicorn wings. The costume is right here with the hoodie. See? Firstly we gotta put this on. So this is how you put it on. Wait. You put this here in the middle. Ah! It's stuck. And right here. And of course this goes right here. And here it is. Oh! It also comes with this, like a zombie. And now let's go and try it on. Actually, wait. First, let's rip up my tights and then put it on. Let's go. Cut up your tights into spooky tights. You need grown-up scissors and make sure a grown-up helps you. Looking cool and they're looking spooky. That was a loud phone. Woo! So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I love you so much. And I'll see you next time. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.